Hello everyone, this is Satya. In this video, we'll learn ROS2 parameters in a simple and practical way using real examples and commands. Let's begin. A ROS2 parameter is a configurable value used by a node at runtime. Instead of hard coding values, we can store them as parameters and change them whenever needed. Examples include robot speed, sensor range, and camera resolution. Why are parameters useful? Without parameters, developers must edit code, rebuild packages, and restart nodes to change behavior. With parameters, values can be updated quickly, making applications flexible and easier to maintain. Viewing parameters. ROS2 provides commands to inspect parameters. The command ROS2 param list displays available parameters. In Turtlesim, parameters such as background_r, background_g, and background_b control background colors. Reading and updating parameters. Now that we know how to view parameters, let's learn how to read and update them. Suppose we want to check the current value of the parameter called background_r in Turtlesim. We can use the command ROS2 param get /turtlesim background_r. Here, /turtlesim is the node name, and background_r is the parameter name. ROS2 will return the current value of that parameter. For example, it may return a value of 69, which represents the amount of red color in the Turtlesim background. Now let's say we want to change this value. We can use ROS2 param set /turtlesim background_r 255. In this command, we're setting the red color value to 255, which is the maximum value in the RGB color system. One of the most powerful features of ROS2 parameters is that we can often change them while the node is running. There is no need to stop the node, modify the code, rebuild the package, or restart the application. As soon as the parameter is updated, the node can immediately use the new value. This makes parameters extremely useful for tuning robot behavior during development and testing. For example, we can adjust robot speed, sensor sensitivity, navigation settings, or camera parameters in real time without changing the source code. ROS2 Parameters Summary. ROS2 parameters store configuration values, change node behavior, and support runtime updates. Remember these commands: ROS2 param list, ROS2 param g, ROS2 param set parameters. Make ROS2 applications configurable, reusable, and easy to maintain. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for spending your time with Satya. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep innovating. See you in the next video.